If you are looking for a soft, crispy and flavorful paratha for breakfast or lunch, this aloo paratha recipe is the perfect choice. It's made with simple ingredients and gives you that delicious homemade taste that everyone loves. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Tanzina. So let's make the recipe. First, take a mixing bowl and add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, and 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix everything very well. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Now slowly add water as required and start kneading the dough. Make sure the dough is soft and smooth, not too sticky or not too hard. Once done, let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Next, take another bowl and add 2 boiled potatoes. Mash them well. Now add 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala, and half teaspoon of red chilli powder. Mix everything very well. The mixture should be soft and well combined, with all the spices mixed evenly into the potato. Now take a small portion of the dough and roll it into a small ball. I am going to flatten it slightly with my hands and place a spoonful of potato mixture in the center of the dough and gently fold the edges to cover the filling. Press lightly to seal it well. Then dust some flour and roll it again into a medium-sized paratha. Sprinkle a few black cumin seeds on top and press lightly so they stick. Heat a pan on medium flame. Place the rolled paratha and cook one side until small bubbles appear. Then flip it and add a few drops of oil around the edges. Cook both sides until golden brown and crispy. Once cooked, remove the paratha and brush a little more oil or butter if you like extra flavor. Serve it with yogurt, pickle or chutney for the best taste. Every bite will be soft inside, crispy outside, and full of spicy potato flavor. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, or even a light dinner. Friends, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.